Yes, children. Today we are doing the quick revision of HTML basic and formatting text. So let's start. Introduction to HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is basically used for web design. HTML is not a case-sensitive language. It doesn't matter if you are writing your program in capital or small letters. And the file extension of HTML file can be either .htm or .html. It has two types of tags, container and empty. Container tag contains on and off tag, and HTML body title. These are the examples of container tag, and empty tag contains only the on tag, and these are the examples of empty tags. This is the basic structure of HTML file. We always start our program with HTML tag and close with /HTML. The second tag which we use in HTML file is title. Title and /title. Between on and off tag we write our text here that displays on the title bar. Between body and /body we write our content. Now we are discussing about some basic HTML tags. HTML creates the HTML document. Title displays the title on the title bar. Comment. This is the on tag of the comment and this is the off tag of the comment. If we don't want to display our text on the web browser, then we use this comment tag. This is always to give the remark, or if we want to write our question in the notepad and we don't want to display it on the web browser, then we use the comment tag. PR tag, this is an empty tag and it gives the line break. Body tag itself does not perform any function, but it has many attributes. Body tag attributes. BG color specifies the color of the background of on the web page. Background attribute specify picture background of the web document. Text attribute defines the text color of the web document. Top margin sets the top margin of the web document, which we give always in pixels. Left margin we also give in pixels. It sets the left margin. Link, A-link and V-link. If we want to change the hyperlink colors on the web document, then we use the link attribute. A-link means active link color. When we click on the hyperlink text there, then this color will change. V-link means visited link. Specifies the color of the visited link. The default color of link is always blue. Default A-link color is red and default V-link color is purple. Now we are discussing about the heading levels. We have 6 levels of headings, H1 to H6, and H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. The basic function of heading levels is to change the font size. It gives the line break also, and we can align our text in center, left or right position. So it performs 3 functions. It aligns the text, changes the font size, and it gives the line break. Formatting text. Now we are discussing about the formatting text. V tag is a bold tag. Displays the text in bold format. I for italics and U for underline. Between on and off tag we write our text. If we are writing our text here, that will be underlined. P tag is a paragraph tag. It defines a paragraph of text. It has align attribute. We can align our para in center, left or right position. Div is basically used to align the text in center, left or right position. Sub, superscript. This is basically used to display our text slightly above to the normal text. And sub is a subscript tag. If we want to display our text slightly below to the normal text, then we use sub tag. Now we are discussing about the font and base font. Font specifies the font size, color and face of the selected text. This is a container tag. This is a container tag. Base font. It is also specifies the font size, face and color, but it affects to the all text in HTML document. This is an empty tag. Practically, there is no difference between the font and base font. If we are not closing /font, then it will give the same effect. And the range of the size is 1 to 7. Smallest is 1 and largest is 7. The difference between font and base font is container tag and base font is empty tag. Now we are discussing how to insert image and what is the function of img tag. Img tag is basically used to insert an image on the web page. This is an empty tag with many attributes like src. Src specifies the image source. Height specifies the height of an image in pixels. Width specifies the width of an image. Border adds a border around an image. Aligns the image in left and right position, but it does not display the image in center. Alt, if image does not display it for some reason, then it will display alternate text. Now we see the syntax img src. We give the file name here and the extension. Height of the image I am giving in pixels 150, width 150, border size is 2, align is right. Then the picture will be displayed in the right position, and this is the alternate text. Now we are discussing about the horizontal rule. This is an empty tag. If we are giving HR like this, the default size of the HR is 100% and that will be displayed in black color. But it has many attributes like color. We can change the color by using color attribute. By default is black. Size, thickness of the line which we give always in pixels. Width of the line by default is 100%. Aligns the line in left and right position. By default it is displayed in center. No shade specifies the solid color. Now we see the syntax. HR color is equal to green, size is equal to 6, width is equal to 50% of the screen, align is equal to right and no shade. Then this will be the output. Remaining HTML tags we will discuss in second part. Thank you.